Hey everybody, it's Ken, and I'm just south of Arnold, Missouri. The sign said Flamm City. There's a boat ramp here, and they say it closes a half hour after sunsets, but I don't think there's a gate, but I don't know for sure yet. But I'm looking for a place to put my boat in when I get ready. But this is the Merrimack River here, and it's real close to Mississippi, so if I could get the boat in the water, I could get to the Mississippi from here. But I just kind of want to do a little filming here at the park behind me, and I'm gonna turn around. Here's the boat ramp. So here's the boat ramp, and man, the water's really low, and I got a feeling this boat ramp, there's some people over there enjoying the day. But I have a feeling this boat ramp is unusable. Doesn't look good. So I was kind of hoping I could use this one because it's real close to my house. It's like the closest one, and it's real close to Mississippi River. So I could just, if I could put in here, I could just shoot down the river. Down the Merrimack to the Mississippi River. I think they actually have boat races here too. I've watched some videos. But as you can see, it's pretty dried up. This boat ramp is not looking good. Huh. I got a feeling there might be a lot of boat ramps. I live close to the city of St. Louis, and so I might be able to use the boat ramp there, or there's one further south. It looks like they backed in right there even. There comes a boat. They're hauling on down the river. People are hanging out. Well, kind of looks like this boat ramp might be out of the question. A little ways up there. And then if you come down around here, that's the end of the ramp. There's no way I can get in there. Huh. Well, that might be par for the course. That's actually Telegraph, the Telegraph Bridge. I think it takes you to Oakville and up to 255 highway going over to east or north to Chicago. Well, I'm going to end that one here. There it is. Flamm City. That's where that boat ramp's at. A lot of traffic on this road. Here we go. See you guys. There it is. Welcome to Kimmswick, Missouri. Nice little town. Drive right by me. Well, there it is, guys. It's the Delta Queen. Water bonnet. Thing's huge. I would love to go on that. The American Countess. So much for the Delta Queen. I think it's supposed to be permanently docked here though. But it's like it's going to be its home base. This is just one that stopped. That's cool. Hope we can get to the paddle wheel.
I know. You could have a job. You're very informative.
There it is, the mighty Mississippi.
I'd like to take me and my granddaughter.
Sweet. Actually, I worked on the towboats. It was my first job out of high school. But there's one right back there. He's coming in. See if I can get him in there. There he is. I didn't work on those either. I just worked on the small tugs. We service those big boats. Yeah, pretty cool.
How do you like that?
I like the scroll work. It's nice. A big boat. Smokestacks are nice. Heck yeah.
Hiking and so you get all that stuff. And they say do that. Yeah, you stop.
This place reminds me of a lot of places I used to go hang out by the river, go shooting guns, or some of those places actually hold pretty good fish. And it kind of reminds me of the smell and the noise of the bugs. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed your little tour of the river and the paddle boat that's down there. You have a good day.